And this is also very peculiar to Africans. We like the native doctor mentality, native doctor approach.
Native doctor approach.
Yes, native doctor approach is that I know it, I keep it to myself because this is what makes me relevant. Nobody should know it the way I know it. So you are limited for
instead of democratizing.
Yes. So
and
even
you are limited as an individual.
I am trained as an engineer, and I wrote a poem of recent. I said, for the doctors, they hide knowledge. When they write prescription for you, you can hardly read it.
Yeah.
They are still following the native doctor approach.
Native doctor approach.
For the lawyers, they also hide knowledge. They will write it, make it very verbose.
Language.
They want to write one agreement, they will write 20 pages.
Legalist language.
How many times have you read those terms and conditions online? You can't. You just scroll to the end and because it's too long. Yeah. They are hiding certain crucial things. If they don't do it in a verbal style, they do it in fine print.
Fine print, very thin line.
But an engineer, we give out our designs in summary and detailed drawings.
Precise details.
Yeah, so that anybody that is serious-minded can take that drawing and replicate it.
The Western world and to a large extent the Asians, they've democratized information.
And
that's why you see a lot of how to
online. Yeah.
Once somebody is able to come up with a technique that helps something faster, he pushes it online.
That is it.
He leaves it for people, other people to
You can be sure what we are discussing here. Some people have no need. They don't want to share it with the world.
Many people know this and
they don't want to.
What is jello with this for decades? And that's one of the reasons why we have this program, so that we can bring information out to people.
And there are a lot of things we can take a deep dive.
I mean, how many young graduates today know that securitization of loans is possible?
Yeah, and there are flexibility.
And people are suffering in silence.
Yeah, there are flexibility when to enter into a value chain. So there are so many things that when you know how to share what you already know, the truth is that once you share what you already know, you are hungry for more. So growth continues.
So you keep expanding.
But when you don't share what you already know, you are limited. You yourself, you don't have hunger. But if I tell you, for example, everything I've shared today, I need to go and research more. If we are going to have another program, I know I cannot share the same thing. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
That is the beauty of sharing.
So document.